Alright, we got our white on, and we have our flake on. So now time to get our tape on.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, this is a matter of doing something and then repeating it on the other side. And I was just messing around yesterday and it was working out pretty well, but now that we're down to it's actually got to be right. That looks really good. I'm happy with that. Agreed. Now we just have to figure out how to do exactly the same on the other side. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I got a Napa receipt. Take that. Make a rubbing. See how our line shows up there. We just need the bottom line. There's our line. And then we're going to go reference point here. So we're going to measure from the door there because we know those are the same to this, and I'm just going to make a mark at 97. Oh. Found the shopping cart. Alright, so now I flip this to the other side. Line up our 97 again. Right there. And we'll just tape that guy down. Tape right behind here. And that's gonna be our guy. Now we kind of have an idea of our height on the top line and the bottom line. Pretty good idea of where our location is there. And we'll measure off and just make a couple marks here. And do the samesies.
Well, I know he can't be trusted, but can he be trusted? I don't know. I know he can't be trusted, but can she be trusted? I don't know. And if they ever decide to make this thing official, will neither one of them make it out alive? I don't know. He says he likes it rough, the only way he can get off. I don't know. So she starts to choke him out as she starts going down.
There's our orange. Orange. Alright, time for clear. This is for all the marbles.
He's gagged about to the bed and never been more turned on. Will either one of them make it out alive? I don't know.
Well, I'm wore out. I didn't sleep worth a shit last night. I couldn't really eat yesterday. And it's all because of this roof. And it's just when you get this big of a daunting task and it's kind of consuming your brain, and it's just so much. And we got it done, you know, that's no problem. We got it done, but it was just such a big deal, such a big thing, and didn't really know how I was gonna do it, you know. And so we were kind of winging it. The shopping cart idea was just, you know, the day before. So, you know, I figured a shopping cart would work because it would fit around the car, and it worked really well. But, you know, necessity is whatever they say. Necessity is the cause of invention, but or however it goes. But it really worked well, and I think the paint job turned out really well. I haven't looked over it yet, but it seems to be pretty good. There might be a little sagging in one spot, but you know, it was really pretty good. I don't know if you can see that flake. Yeah, a little bit right there. Yeah, there you go. We got that orange flake in there. And yeah, let's see what it looks like with its wrappings off. Well, there she is, guys and ghouls. End up with a little run right there. And that's all I'm finding. Pretty happy with that. Just have our one side to go here. And then of course sanding the entire thing and re-clear coating it. So we'll wet sand everything with 800 block and clear coat it 2 more times. I have to fix the paint on the hood and cowl because it doesn't quite match the door. The only thing I can think is I didn't take the stir stick and scrape the bottom of the can and lift that last bit of metallic off of it. Like some of it just stuck to the bottom of the can, and that's why we had that. But I don't know. Maybe I can try to blend it, just the cowl, and see if I can get away with that. Because this is kind of a transition. You might not notice the color not matching too well there. It looks pretty decent from different angles, but then sometimes it kind of stands out. But if I fade it through here, it might be enough to not notice it. I don't know. Anyways, pretty happy with it. At least we got, you know, another step done.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.